Okay, so if you have ever worked with a large language model, you know the feeling. It's that frustration, right? You need perfect, structured data, but what you get back can be, well, all over the place. Today, we're going to dive into a really powerful library that promises to solve that exact problem, for good.
And this is the big question for anyone trying to build real-world applications on top of AI. You spend all this time trying to funnel the model's creativity into something clean, like JSON, but the output can feel like a total lottery. It's messy, it's unpredictable, and you're left wondering, how on earth am I supposed to build a reliable system on top of that?
Now, what if you could just change the rules of the game? This quote right here gets to the absolute heart of what we're talking about today. I mean, just imagine it. Forcing an AI to give you exactly what you need every single time with a mathematical guarantee. That's not science fiction. That's the promise of a library called Outlines.
So before we get to that amazing solution, let's really sit with the problem for a second. We need to understand the chaos we're dealing with, the unpredictable nature of these incredibly powerful but ultimately probabilistic models.
This right here, this is the reality for so many of us developers. You build this beautiful data pipeline. You're expecting this clean, steady flow of structured JSON. And hey, maybe 95% of the time it works just fine. But that other 5%, the response with the missing comma, the malformed string, that's like a tiny crack in the pipe. And in a real production system, that's all it takes for the whole thing to just shatter. It's that unpredictability that makes building robust AI apps so challenging.
And I love this analogy because it illustrates the difference so perfectly. Using standard prompting is like giving someone a form with a big empty text box and just hoping for the best. You know, you hope they fill it out right. They might, but they could also make a typo or misunderstand the instructions completely. Outlines, on the other hand, is like giving them a form with drop-down menus and pre-validated fields. It's literally impossible for them to enter the wrong format. They can only choose from the correct options.
Which brings us to the hero of our story, the Outlines library. It's designed to walk into that messy, probabilistic world and inject a powerful dose of determinism, right where you need it the most.
So, what is it exactly? Well, Outlines is a Python library, and it has one core mission: to guarantee, and I mean guarantee, that the text an AI generates perfectly matches a format that you define. Whether that's a super complex JSON schema, a simple regular expression for an email address, or even a custom grammar you invent yourself, Outlines makes sure the output is always valid. No exceptions.
Okay, so how does it actually pull this off? How can it make a mathematical guarantee? Well, the secret isn't some fancy post-processing or just retrying when it fails. Nope, the magic is baked directly into the generation process itself.
And that magic has a name. It's called constrained decoding. And the concept, it's actually surprisingly simple. At every single step of the process, as the AI is deciding on the very next word or token to write, it isn't allowed to pick just anything from its huge vocabulary. Instead, Outlines gives it a pre-filtered menu of options, a very short list of only the tokens that are guaranteed to keep the final output syntactically correct. Let's walk through it. First, the language model does its thing. It thinks of all the possible tokens it could generate next. But then, Outlines steps in and basically acts like a bouncer at a club. It takes that list and checks it against your rules, let's say your JSON schema. If a token would break the JSON structure, like adding a random word where a quotation mark is supposed to go, rejected. Thrown out. It's not on the list. Finally, the model is forced to choose only from the handful of tokens that are valid. It literally cannot make a syntax mistake. It's not an option.
And what's really cool is that this isn't just for one specific format. The beauty of Outlines is how flexible it is. You can use it to enforce those complex JSON schemas for your API responses, sure, but you can also use simple regex patterns for things like phone numbers or zip codes. Or you can even go all out and define your own custom grammars for super specialized, domain-specific languages.
And when you look at the code, it's so clean. You basically take your base model, you give it a schema, that's your set of rules, and you feed the whole thing into the Outlines library. What comes out the other side is a secure, validated document that perfectly matches your requirements every single time. All that complexity we just talked about, it's all handled for you right behind the scenes.
Okay, this all sounds pretty incredible, right? But is it always the right choice? Like any tool, it has very specific use cases where it absolutely shines. So let's figure out when you should be reaching for Outlines in your projects.
So where does this fit in your toolkit?
Well, it's absolutely ideal for any situation where reliability is just non-negotiable. We're talking API responses that have to be machine-readable, data extraction pipelines that cannot afford to fail, or any production system where quality is king. Now, on the flip side, if you're doing something like creative writing, or you need those open-ended, unpredictable chat responses, well, constraining the model is the last thing you want to do. For that stuff, you want maximum flexibility, so you'd stick with regular prompting.
And hey, it's really important to know that Outlines isn't the only player in this space. There are other fantastic libraries out there. You've got Instructor, which is amazing if you love working with Pydantic. There's Guardrails for more complex validation rules. And of course, sometimes just getting better at writing your prompts is all you really need. The key is knowing which tool is the right fit for your specific problem.
All right, so as we start to wrap this up, let's just distill everything down to the most important points. What do you really need to take away from this look at Outlines?
Okay, 3 key things to remember. First, Outlines uses constrained generation to give you mathematical guarantees about your output structure. Second, it is built for production systems, places where things absolutely positively must not break. And third, it takes a fundamentally probabilistic, kind of messy task and makes it deterministic, giving you a level of control and reliability that was, until now, really hard to come by.
And that really just leaves us with one final, and I think really exciting question. When you no longer have to worry about parsing errors or unpredictable formats, when the AI's output is something you can actually count on 100%, what new, more ambitious, and more reliable applications will you be able to build? Think about that.